Hello, welcome to the show. My name is Bart and we are in CourseMaker's studio the second time now. And Metahumans have been released and I have something exciting for you. I want to show you something very exciting today. Now, what we have here is a very cool rig. I'm gonna show you what's going on. We have a HTC tracker here connected to a camera, right? But the camera is not used currently. We're just gonna use the tracker. So if you look now what's happening on a giant laser projector, my tracker is tracked, right? So I can have a giant screen with my MetaHuman. Now, our idea here is to combine a giant screen with a real-time performance of an actor and see how that looks in camera. So I'm gonna invite you here over to I'll show you how this is done. So this is the tracking system, which is the Live Link app, just connected to Unreal Engine. You can see my character automatically detects me as a face and starts animating my facial gestures. I should work on the focus here, but that doesn't matter. The idea is here that I am able to kind of do a conversation with my MetaHuman at the same time performing. So it's kind of like a two-way kind of system. It's glitching out a little bit, but that doesn't matter. We'll work out the lights for this. So if I'll ask now Bartek to grab the tracker while he's having the phone, and we're going to combine all three tracking methods now. So he's now moving the tracker while just try to, you can try to fake it in this way where you just try to attach it to the phone as close as you can and see how the effect will work. You have to go a little bit back because you've watch out for the camera. Watch out, watch out, watch out. There you go. Okay. So yeah, try to realign it manually so it kind of matches. This is a real indie version of this, so don't worry about it. So we're live streaming this straight from a PC into a laser projector, and having the tracking like this, well, gives us a lot of possibilities, right? I'm gonna just focus on the MetaHuman so Bartek can just try to focus on his camera work. So I'm gonna move a little bit here, and he's gonna try to align the scene maybe as much as he can. Yeah, try to move the tracker a little bit down. Oh, there you go. Yes, so she kind of is about my size, right? Now, the latency isn't bad, as you can see. Maybe there's about I would say 50 seconds of delay, but that's not that much, right? Because this is all Wi-Fi. We could just connect a Ethernet cable and have this performing a lot better. So this is just a proof of concept where the MetaHuman is kind of interacting at the same time on a giant screen, and that's being recorded by a camera. So in this whole session, we're going to show you how to connect all of this together and broadcast live performances using MetaHumans and being able to track the camera. Now, this is all done in Unreal Engine Vanilla. There were no extra fancy plugins here. It's just MetaHumans and everything core in Unreal.
Enables the operator, the guy that's shooting, to perform and do amazing things, right? So I'm gonna turn on some music now and just enjoy this show because it's really cool. I know that Bartek is recording. You can see him working, and he's learning to use the Vive tracker in a yeah. I mean, we're kind of limited, but there's so much possibility just with this one setup, which is having just a giant screen and being able to interact with it, being able to see what's going on. You can see that the MetaHuman character is actually moving. We've pre-recorded some motion into her, so she's kind of relaxed, the character, and she's like chilling to music. And you can see here the preview of my face here. Just let me not block the camera. You can see the preview of my face here, and this is being live streamed to the engine. by Wi-Fi, which is pretty impressive that this works on Wi-Fi. Normally I would connect the cable just to be sure, but yeah, it works. I'm gonna go to Bartek and I'm gonna show you now what he's doing now on the screen. And I'm gonna turn on some music.